My cousin was hurt during an attempted carjacking in a store parking lot. They caught the guy and he's in jail, but can my cousin sue him for the injuries that he has caused? I think the phrase blood from a turnip kind of comes to mind right now.
You answered the question.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Can you sue? Absolutely. Can you sue that person for harming you? 100%. You can sue and you can get a judgment. Most likely that judgment is not going to be worth the paper that it's written on for a couple reasons. Number one, if they're carjacking you, they're not typically they're not going to have the assets and things of that nature that you are going to be able to go after. Number two, they're going to be in jail. They're not working. You're not going to be able to get anything out of them. But by all means, you know, you can get a judgment against that person, and you know, by chance, you know, 10, 15 years later, if that person wound up turning that, you know, they turned their life around, they were able to get a job, you're able to go after that money. But again, usually people that are committing such crimes, you're not going to have a very good chance in collecting against them later down the road.
Kind of like if you get hit by a car and like duct tapes, like holding up the bumper, and like they don't have a mirror. Like
right.
You know, and odds are they don't have car insurance. Yeah, so like you bet, hopefully you have what is it, Bill, that you like to tell everyone to have?
Uninsured motorist coverage. No, right. when I was a kid, my dad used to always tell me, and I never really figured out what this meant when I was, you know, 5, 6 years old. He said, if you're ever in an accident, a car wreck, be choosy on who hits you. And of course, that's, you know, that's just a joke. You can't pick who hits you, but he used to always tell me, get hit by the person in the Mercedes, not the person driving the AMC Gremlin or Pinto. But again, that's why you need to have uninsured motorist coverage, because you can't pick and choose as to who you're going to be in an accident with. You always have to protect yourself.